Hi everyone, this is Mr. Junie, and today I'm going to talk about Fluency Level 19. In Fluency Level 19, there are two parts. The first part, students have to find out how many more they need to make 10. The second part, students have to be able to subtract a number from 10. So let's talk about the first part. This is an example of a problem where they have to find the missing part to make 10. So 5 plus blank equals 10. Sometimes in class we also say, if you have 5, how many more do you need to make 10? And students have to be able to say the answer in the missing part. So 5, and the answer would be 5. 5 and 5 more makes 10. This is another example right here. If you have 9, how many more do you need to make 10? If the students have trouble answering this problem, you can help them out by suggesting a strategy. The strategy we use a lot in class is their fingers. So if they have 9 fingers so far, how many more fingers do they need to make 10? And at this point of the school year, students should know that two hands worth of fingers is 10. So let's say if you have 9, how many more do you need to make 10? Let's see, you have 9 so far. How many more do you need? You need just 1 more. So the missing part is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Another strategy that you can use at home is to count up in your brain. So since I see a plus sign, I have to add. So when I add, I'm counting up or adding more. So 9 plus how many more makes 10? So let's see, I put 9 in my brain, and then I'm gonna keep counting until I get to 10. So 9 in my brain, and keep counting with your fingers. 9, 10, stop. I got to 10. How many more did I add? I added 1 more. So again, 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay. Other examples are 3 plus what equals 10? 0 plus how many more makes 10? 2 plus how many more makes 10? 1 plus how many more makes 10? 6 plus how many more makes 10? 4 plus how many more makes 10? 8 plus how many more makes 10? 10 plus how many more makes 10? This one's very tricky. And 7 plus how many more makes 10? And that's the first part of this level. The second part of Fluency Level 19 is that students have to be able to subtract any number from 10. So examples are 10 minus 9, 10 minus 0, another tricky one, 10 minus 8. These are different examples of subtracting a number from 10. So if students have trouble solving these, they can use their fingers. So they put up 10 fingers. They have to know what minus means, and minus means they take away, and how many they're taking away. So if you have 10 fingers, you're taking away 8 of those fingers. So I have 10, take away, and put down 8 of those fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then count how many you have left, which is 1, 2. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. Students can also count backwards to solve this. So if I have 10, but I'm taking away 8, I'm counting backwards. The number is going to get smaller. So 10, count backwards, 8 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 10 and you take away 8 is 2. That's another strategy. That's a higher level thinking strategy. Most students will just use their fingers to subtract. Now, if they do have trouble answering these problems, just go over each of the flashcards with your Rocketeer. And then eventually when they're ready, they'll have to just do it all by themselves. They'll only have 3 seconds to answer each of these flashcards, and there are going to be 25 flashcards, and they can only miss 20. So they have to get 80% of these flashcards correct. Again, that is Fluency Level 19. Again, there's 2 parts. They have to find out how many more they need to make 10, as well as subtract any number from 10.